Hey, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing an unboxing and I'm going to share some other new things that I recently purchased as well. This is not sponsored. These were gifted to me by the companies I will mention in here. I will share it again. You guys know I'm always upfront and real with you guys. And just because a company sends me something doesn't mean I'm going to like it. I just keep it real. I'm going to mention this in this video. I'm just going to say this because I want you to know that I keep it real, okay? The first company that I'm going to talk about, they reached out to me to send me product, and I was thrilled because I love the vintage vibe that they have with their makeup. I've been wanting to try their stuff for years. I don't know why I haven't. So they reached out to me. They asked me what I charge. And I don't do that, okay? The only time I want to do a sponsored video is if I actually purchase something first, and that's just how I do it, you guys. So when I do a sponsored video, you got to know that I actually like the product. I'm not going to ever do a video for anybody, no matter what they want to pay me, just to do a commercial, because that's what it is, okay? I'm just not going to do that. So I told them I do not do that, but I would love to try your products, and they gifted these to me. So I really, really appreciate it. I hope I'm going to say this right. It's Besame. Besame, it's B-E-S-A-M-E. Besame. It almost looks like it says Besame, but it has a little line above it. Am I saying it wrong? I hope that I'm not. They sent me some skincare. They sent me some lipsticks. One of them I'm wearing today. And I have another one. Maybe I'll take this one off and show you guys what that looks like. And they sent me some nail products as well. So let's get into it. One of the products I'm actually wearing today, and so far I like it, because I like to use something like this as a base. So this is it's called the Vanishing Cream. Look at the packaging on it. It looks so like 1940s or something. You know, I just love the packaging. So this is called Vanishing Cream. And this Vanishing Cream has so many great ingredients in it. When they sent it to me, I'm going to be honest, I was like, oh, really? Because I don't know, I just didn't think that, like, I like their aesthetics. So I was interested in trying out their makeup. But I thought, skincare. There's some good ingredients in this, okay? And if you can't do fragrance, you're really going to love it because there's no fragrance in it, okay? So this it says it's a moisturizing primer, meadowform seed oil, and vitamin A. Love it. I'm telling you, there is no smell. There's no, well, there is, but it's not fragranced, okay? All you smell is the ingredients in it. So this is what it looks like, okay? That's what it looks like. I really like this. I think it has really good ingredients in it. And if you're somebody that's looking for a moisturizer, you might be interested. Now I just tried it today. But just looking at the ingredients, it's a good one. Another thing that they sent me, and I have not tried it, and I don't think I'm going to, okay? Unfortunately, because of the ingredients, okay? So this one is the cold cream. And this again doesn't have any, does say, I don't think there's fragrance in this one either. Yep, fragrance free again, which I love. And this, I don't smell anything. The other one I smell something, but it's not a fragrance smell, it's just whatever it is. This one I don't even smell it. There we go. That's what it looks like. Okay. Well, this one has coconut oil in it. And I can't do coconut oil, you guys. I'm sorry, I can't, because that will make me break out. Oh, it's a cleanser. Okay, so it says it's cold cream. It says brightening cleanser with coconut oil and vitamin E. I still don't think I can do it even if I'm wiping it off, okay? So it's like a creamy cleanser is what it is. There is some good stuff in it, but it has beeswax. I'm trying to see, where is the coconut oil? I'm trying to see where it's at. Maybe it says it's a different name, unless, I don't know. But you can check it out on their website. But this is something I don't think I'm going to try. This is in the color Portrait Pink. Look at the little tube here. I just love it. It feels It's plastic. I love the bullet, the way the bullet is shaped too on it. Isn't that, oh my God, I love it. Really nice, feels comfortable on my lips, does not feel drying. It doesn't feel like, remember I was trying that Lisa Eldridge lipstick and I felt like it was drying. This is not like that. I would say this is really close to Charlotte Tilbury. So if you like Charlotte Tilbury, I think you're gonna like it. Okay, really, really nice. This one's called Dusty Rose, and it says Dusty Rose 1969 on the box, okay? And this is what this one looks like. So this one's a little bit darker. I wonder if I should just, can I just swatch it on my arm? Because it's going to be dark on me. Let me just do it that way today. Is it okay? That's really pretty, but that's dark. Probably going to pass it to my daughter because that's just kind of dark for me. Really, really pretty color though. They sent me these. And did you have one of these? I think we had one. I think it was from Q-Tex. So it's an Emery board. That's a metal one. And then you've got the little cleaner on the end. If you have one of these or had one, let me know. This is so like brings me back, okay? And then you've got the little cuticle pusher thingy here. Look at that. So cute. Brings me back. And these are the polishes, and I'll tell you the colors, okay? So Portrait Pink is like the lipstick color I'm wearing. And this is Dusty Rose. Aren't they pretty? I love the bottles. I love the little design. So pretty. Amlactin sent me some products to test out. So this one is has, I think they all have lactic acid in it. So this one says it's for rough, dry skin, and it's a daily 12% lactic acid lotion. So I'm looking forward, and it says fragrance free too. So if you can't use fragrance, you'll probably like this. I think they're all fragrance free. Yes, they're all fragrance free. And this one says it's see, I can't read. See, can I do this? Maybe I can do that and read it. It says it's rapid relief, 15% lactic acid, 24-hour moisturization, reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, 3 ceramicides, and it says it's for flaky, ashy, dry skin. This is the Ultra Smoothing, and this one is the alpha hydroxy formula. So I'm really excited. Like I said, I haven't tested these. I will start testing them. This is a blush from Lancome. I used to wear Lancome. I used to wear a lot of Lancome. I don't know why I haven't. But this blush is oil-free, and it's called Smile and Blush. That's the name of it. So that's the color right there, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's nice, you know. Little mirror, and there you go, and there's a little brush that, I don't use the brush, but really, really pretty. One of the reasons I wanted to get this is because it's for oily skin, which I have. I still get some shine, but I put a little highlighter on there. But I just wanted to test it out. You know, I don't mind if I have a shine to my face now. When I was younger, I was just like, I wanted matte, matte, matte. Now I'm okay with shine, but I don't want to ever look greasy. So I decided to try it, and this is really, really nice. I like that. But it's this from Clé de Peau. And this is the gloss in the number, or the color 7 Stardust. Look at how pretty that is. Love it. I think it's a little opaque-ish. Let me see. The wand is kind of weird on it though. I don't know why they did the wand like this. It's like twisted. I don't get the point of that. It's kind of dumb. But it feels really, really nice on. But it is a little bit opaque-ish. You can build it up, but I definitely would recommend putting this on top of a lip liner that's similar, you know, so it'll deepen it and give you a nice gloss. It feels really nice. This is from YSL, and this is it says the Mascara Volume Effect. Now I bought this because I looked at the ingredients, and it looked like ingredients that would work with my pain in the ass lashes. And this is what the brush looks like. I like the brush on it. It looks nice on my lashes, but the first day I wore it, I had transfer. That's what I like about this. I don't get transfer with it. Why can't they do that with every mascara? This is still my favorite. Would I say this is my holy grail? No, it's not my holy grail, but I do really, really like it. This was sent to me from a company. I appreciate them sending me stuff. They've gifted me stuff before that I've liked, but this one is just a big fail for me, okay? So this is from Persona, okay? And this is called the Gold Highlight Multi-Stick. No. It just, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. It just looks like it has glitter in it. I don't like it. I appreciate them sending it to me, but I don't like it. I don't like the way it feels. I have one similar, but I like it better. I don't know if they make it anymore. It's from Chanel, and I like that one better. It doesn't have any shimmer or anything like that in it. Or glitter. I don't like it. Thank you so much for joining me. Really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys all in my next one. Bye. I'm just gonna do my cleanup while they're doing that. I gotta take my glasses off. Oh God, I don't know why it doesn't want to focus on me when I don't have my glasses on. When I have my glasses on, I need a drink. Look at my new cup. I don't like Starbucks coffee, but I like their cups. But I'm not one of those people that collects their cups. I'm not like that. But if I see a cute one, I get it, and this is a nice one. So